Hey everybody, this is Mark. I'm going to be showing you a free, let me just get rid of this. Sorry, I just installed it. A free Microsoft Office alternative. So when I say Microsoft Office, I mean like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, the main stuff you use for resumes, for personal finances, anything you might use at home like that. You can use this in the office too. Not as, it's not used as much, so people won't know how to use it that easily. Won't be like accustomed to it. So anyways, so it's called OpenOffice. You download it from openoffice.org, and then you just go, I want to download Office, and then you're gonna choose, you just hit download full installation. You don't have to click anything else. Download full installation. Yeah. So once that's, you're gonna get a file like this. You're gonna just run it. You're gonna go through the installation. Yeah. And once it's finished, you're gonna go here. You have this little, they're like little pigeons or seagulls, I guess you could say. You double click on it, and what you're gonna have, you should have these ones too, unless you did like a custom install. And there should be a video on that. If it's not there, then it'll probably come out soon, showing how to properly install videos. So I just did text, document, spreadsheet, and presentation. So these are basically Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. You can see by the colors, they're pretty much the same. So Word is text document. So let's make this bigger so we could actually see. So you're gonna have the same layout. You can type in here, same thing. You have all the buttons at the top. You can save. You can export it as a PDF. So when you're done, you can save it as a PDF. You can print it. You can check your spelling. What else? You can paste. You can undo, redo. Same thing. You could insert a table. If you click this little arrow, you could choose how much of a table you want to insert. Undo that. You could find and replace, navigate, gallery, a bunch of tools. You don't need to know all these things. I don't think you guys are going to use all this. You have the same thing, so you can go right here. You have your headers and your text bodies and your titles, default formatting. You have your fonts here. Same thing if you want Vergana, let's say. You can change the size of the fonts. You can make it bold, italic, underline, same thing. You can center it, you can put it to the left, align right, and if ever you don't know what something does, just hover over it with your mouse and it'll tell you. We can make it into a bullet, we can make it into a numeral, like a numeral list, we can indent, we can change the font color if we wanted. We could highlight if we wanted. We could fill the background, so if I wanted the whole background of the sheet to be yellow, or not the sheet, sorry, but the background of that line. Okay. And yeah. So, and then you also have, while you're doing this, you have a quick view over here. If this gets in your way, just click this right here. It'll hide everything. You can close this. This seems to open whenever you do like a bullet list or something. Yeah. You can, so there's files, the regular stuff. You can save it. You can export it as a PDF. You can do a bunch of stuff. It's the same stuff. You'll just have to play around with it. This is, yeah. So this one you'll just have to play around with. This is basically Word. Close this. The other one. We have spreadsheet, which is Excel. So it's the same exact thing as Excel. You have the same layout at the top. You have your formula bars right here. You have your row, like your cell that you're in is right here. You have, you can export it as a PDF, same exact stuff as the other one. Orders, there's a bunch of stuff. You can change your currency right here. So let's say we had 1,000. We can say, oh, you know what? I want number format. Right here, number format currency, $1,000. You right click on it, you can format the cells, and then actually choose a different type of currency. There's so much things you can do. You're gonna have to click around and figure that out. This is just to show you this is an alternative to it. It's the same thing. You have the sheets at the bottom. You can make a new one. The same exact thing. Yeah. Okay, so the last one that I'll be showing is presentation, which is basically PowerPoint. So we're gonna say empty orders templates. Give it a few seconds. It'll load a few of them. I think there's only like 2. Okay, so let's just do empty just to show you. And then we could even choose different slide designs. We want this like blue one. Say, okay, I want that. Next. And do effects, everything, create. So this is what we're gonna work with. So we could add our titles, everything. We have all the same stuff. Slides on the left. Same exact stuff as PowerPoint. You have shapes down here. So if I want to put like this smiley face, there's everything's pretty much here. So yeah, that's basically the 3 programs. It's called OpenOffice. It's an alternative and it's free, 100% free. No ads, no nothing. For basically it's a free alternative to Microsoft Office. Okay, have a good day, and if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe for more content. See ya.